Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to add music to your video on Videoleap in 2025 step by step. Whether you are editing for TikTok, YouTube or Instagram, this is super easy. Let's get started. So first open the Videoleap apps on your phone, then tap the plus button to start a new project. Select the video clips you want to edit and hit import. Then go to your audio section. Once your video is in the timeline, look at the toolbar at the bottom, top on audio or music. Here you can see this. Then this will open up different options for adding sound. Then video gives you a few ways to add music, built-in music library. Videoleap has a library of free and premium tracks. Your device you can import songs saved on your phone, extract from video, track audio from another video, then voice recording, record your own voice or sound directly in the apps, pick whichever works best for you. Then add and adjust the music, tap the song on you want and then hit use or add to timeline. The music will appear under your video track and you can trim, split or move the audio to sync with your video. Use the volume slider to adjust loudness. Fine tune your edit. If the song is too long, drag the edges to shorten it. Use fade in, fade out to make the music start and end smoothly. If you are using multiple clips, make sure the audio follows naturally and export your video. Then once you are happy with the edit, tap export in the top right corner, then choose your resolution and frame rate, then save to your phone or share directly to social media. And that's it. That's how you add music on Videoleap in 2025. Super quick and beginner friendly. Hope you are enjoying this video, and if this guide will help you, don't forget to subscribe the channels.